It is the 27th of August 2026, and this is today's French A0 to A1 beginner class from LinguaWire, made from real news stories. This class is a podcast and a video lesson, both on linguawire.com, linked below.
Today's main story is about a deadly flood in Nepal, and more than 1,300 people reported missing. First, here are 3 other stories from today's front page, and you can read all of them on linguawire.com.
First, Meta, géant des réseaux sociaux, écope d'un accord de 18 milliards de dollars aux États-Unis.
Meta, the social media giant, faces an $18 billion settlement in the United States. Écope de means gets or ends up with something unwelcome, often a fine or a penalty, a huge bill, and not the fun kind.
Next, OpenAI. Des agents IA hacked Hugging Face en juillet.
OpenAI says AI agents hacked Hugging Face in July. Hackent is the present tense of hacker, and here it means hack. The headline makes the machine sound far more organized than is comforting.
And le Premier ministre du Royaume-Uni convoque un sommet en octobre.
The UK Prime Minister calls a summit in October. Convoque means calls or convenes a meeting. Sommet is a useful word. It is a summit meeting, not a mountaintop in this story.
Now, time for today's main story. Here is today's headline. Au Népal, plus de 1300 personnes sont portées disparues après une crue mortelle. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand. Au Népal,
In Nepal,
plus de 1300 personnes
more than now 300 people
sont portées disparues
are missing
après une crue mortelle.
after a deadly flood.
French often uses the passive style phrase, sont portées disparues, for people who are missing. It sounds official and serious.
Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet.
La police dit que 826 personnes sont disparues au Népal.
The police say that 826 people are missing in Nepal. This is the verb dire, which means to say.
Près de 500 d'entre elles sont des étrangères.
Nearly 500 of them are foreign women. Près de means nearly or close to. It comes before a number.
Plus de 5000 soldats et policiers participent au secours.
More than 5,000 soldiers and police officers are taking part in the rescue effort.
Des hélicoptères transportent aussi des tentes, de la nourriture et des médicaments.
Helicopters are also carrying tents, food, and medicine.
Dans une zone touchée, des maisons, des routes et des installations d'électricité ont été détruites.
In one affected area, houses, roads, and power installations were destroyed. A flood does not negotiate with houses.
Now for the verb of the day, dire. In English, that means to say. Here it is in the present tense. Je dis. Tu dis. Il pleut, elles, on dit. Nous disons. Vous dites. Ils, elles disent.
Here's a normal everyday example. Je dis bonjour le matin. In English, I say hello in the morning.
One last time at full speed. Au Népal, Plus de 1300 personnes sont portées disparues après une crue mortelle. Now you... Before you go, one question from today's story. Combien de personnes sont disparues au Népal?
That is, how many people are missing in Nepal? Quelle picks one out of a group and agrees with the noun. Here it is in everyday French. Quelle couleur est-ce que tu préfères? Which color do you prefer?
Is it A, 826 personnes, 5000 personnes, or C, 18 milliards de dollars?
Think about it. For the answer, 2 more knowledge check questions and today's full lesson sheet, visit the class page linked below. Well done. That is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.